Whilst we've been manufacturing caravans in Australia for a number of years now, it's always been Jurgens' policy to ensure that all caravans can withstand the rigorous outback conditions of Australia. Hence why we're here today at the Anglesea Proving Ground in Victoria.
As part of our ongoing development process, our vans are torture tested to ensure their strength and reliability. The accelerated testing procedure is designed to represent 100,000 kilometres of operation and exposes the caravan to operating conditions well beyond normal use. The test track is used by leading automotive and trucking companies. Even military vehicles are tested here. The facility encompasses virtually all road conditions found in Australia.
From an R&D perspective, it's a great opportunity to take the design through to the computer modelling stage and then to real-world testing, where we can really see where we can improve on our vans. We find that we can have a comprehensive chassis check over, and we also can see that the interiors of the vans can be where they can be improved. To come out here today and do these tests has proved invaluable.
We work in closely with our key supplier ALKO to ensure all the running gear components of the caravan perform as an integrated unit.
ALKO International is a major supplier to the caravan and trailer industry in Australia and all around the world, and part of the product development that we do with our major customers is to work with them in developing the strength of their product for Australian conditions. We've taken one of their standard caravans and put it behind both a four-wheel drive and a normal sedan vehicle, and virtually belt and deliver daylights out of the thing. We give it a tough run for approximately 1,000 kilometres over some very rough conditions, and it takes us about 5 days to do it. So it's a very tough test for the product, so that the end user can be sure that they're getting a product which is rugged and stands up to what the normal consumer should do with the product. We certainly wouldn't suggest you do what we do with the product because we're testing it to its absolute limits, and it covers second-class roads, which is typical of your outback corrugated loose gravel road that's used around the countryside in Australia. But we also throw in some fairly tough corrugated road use, what's called a Belgian pavement, which is like bluestone blocks, I guess is probably the best description, and we drive over that at a controlled speed. And in doing this test, we're accelerating the fatigue on the product and just seeing exactly how the product performs. Part of what we're doing in this accelerated fatigue test, as we call it, is to look at the combination between the coupling or the hitch, the chassis of the caravan, the suspension systems, the wheels and tyres, the braking systems, and the construction of the caravan itself to make sure it's suitable for the conditions that our normal consumers work with. We're not expecting that people would take it to this sort of limit under any circumstances, but it certainly is a good way of testing the product.
With our clever design and comprehensive product testing, you can be assured a Jurgens Caravan will provide years of reliable service even in the toughest of conditions.